The Cora CN-73 Well Light from FX Luminaire offers impressive mounting versatility to meet your installation needs. In this video, you'll learn how to prepare, adjust, and install the CN-73 with confidence. Adjusting for glare control and aiming. To adjust the beam direction, remove the faceplate. Inside the fixture, you'll find a removable PAR 36 light module with a tilt mechanism that allows up to 20 degrees of internal aiming and height adjustment. This enables precise adjustment of the beam to highlight specific landscape features while minimizing spill and enhancing overall control. Simply remove the light module from the side it's currently on and place it into your desired position, either flat or angled. Use the flat side if you want a more discreet, low-profile look, or choose the angled side if you'd like additional glare control. The fixture comes standard with a polycarbonate lens to help prevent debris from entering the housing. You may choose to remove this lens if glare reduction is desired for a particular installation. However, keep in mind that doing so may slightly increase the need for maintenance in debris-prone areas. You can keep the lens on for reduced maintenance and protection from debris, or remove it to minimize glare and achieve a cleaner lighting effect. Once you've made your aiming and lens configuration decisions, reinstall the faceplate and tighten it securely to complete the adjustment process. Installation and best practices. To install the CN-73 Well Light, first determine your wire run and where the wires will be laid in relation to the fixture location. Once the final position is selected, use a shovel to create a small slit in the turf approximately 6 inches, 152 millimeters deep to accommodate the lead wire. Next, dig a hole about 8 to 10 inches, 203 to 254 millimeters in diameter, and 9 to 12 inches, 229 to 305 millimeters deep. This provides ample space for the fixture and ensures adequate drainage. At the bottom of the hole, place 3 to 4 inches, 76 to 102 millimeters of gravel or drainage aggregate to help manage moisture and prevent water accumulation around the fixture. Before inserting the CN-73, assess the lighting needs for the site. If glare control is a priority, configure the fixture with the angled housing orientation. If a subtle, low-profile appearance is desired, opt for the flat side installation. At this stage, you may also decide whether to keep or remove the optional lens, depending on your preference. Leave a minimum of 12 inches of extra lead wire inside the tube, below the fixture, to allow for future servicing. Once configured, lower the CN-73 into the prepared hole and position it firmly in place. Backfill the remaining space around the fixture with additional gravel to further support drainage. Then, if you haven't done so already, bury the lead wire from the fixture that was previously laid out. Post-installation adjustability. Consider returning at night with the fixture on to make any fine-tuning adjustments to the lamp and fixture. Adjust the internal PAR 36 lamp as needed by tilting it to aim light toward your desired focal point. Adjust the height of the PAR 36 lamp by lowering it into the fixture for maximum glare reduction or raising it for optimal performance. From its reversible housing and glare control to its select brass construction and aimable PAR 36 light source, every feature is built to empower designers and installers alike. Thank you for choosing FX Luminaire. For more information, go to fxl.com.